Hi guys, welcome to Fabric by Singhanias. Now you don't want to miss out on all of these summer trending printed fabrics that we've got at our store. So let me show you each one of them. Starting off with this very nice cotton fabric because this is very summer friendly. Perfect if you want to create any kind of outfits this summer season. First off, let me show you how beautiful the digital printed floral work on this is. It's a nice pink shades, rose shades, yellow shades, giving it a really vibrant and nice look for summer. Now the base color over here is in a nice white shade, which is the perfect color for the summer season. Light colors, lightweight fabric. It is perfect to create any kurtis, kurtas for menswear or women's wear. So if you wanted to choose any kind of cotton fabrics in printed collection, we've got you covered. Now here we've got this new exclusive collection of Binny silks in our store. Now this is one of our new collection because of how lightweight and breathable this fabric is. It is one of the selections of our designers and something that would be perfect in the summer season. Now let me show you the beautiful digital print on this fabric. The base color is in a nice white color and all over it you can see this nice digital print color of mauve. All of this is a kalamkari art design, which is the perfect art design for a traditional yet modern look. Now the fabric also is quite lightweight, very soft as well because of the silk, and it gives a little bit of shine in the light or if you go outside. So if you wanted to recreate this into a nice dupatta or if you want to create a nice kurti, kurta, this fabric would look very nice and beautiful on you. Now our next fabric here is another shade in the same Binny silk collection. Here we have another white color nice Binny silk fabric which gives a really nice sheen again if you look very well on the light, and the texture of it is very lightweight. It is very beautiful and soft. All over this you can see this really beautiful kalamkari design in a purple shade this time, which is perfect because purple color is really royal and you can create a nice blouse piece for a linen sari, or if you want to create a nice co-ord set and give it a modern touch, this fabric would look so beautiful and amazing. Is this blue color and white color Binny silk. Now the color contrast is quite nice and the blue color anyways is very calming and it gives a very cool effect, perfect in the summer weather too. So it has a nice teal color and a light blue shade. You can see the kalamkari digital print that has been done across it, nice floral work, leaf work, giving it a very different and unique touch. Now if you wanted to create a nice shirt or if you want to create a menswear kurta as well, this fabric would be actually quite ideal because it would be really light and breathable during the summer season too, and during the wedding season if you want to go for simple and nice look, this fabric would look really good on you. Now another fabric here we have is a nice chanderi fabric. It is lightweight, breathable and perfect in the summer season. Now the color that has been selected here also is a light yellow color, which is perfect in the summer season. And you can see all of the digitally printed floral work which is in a nice pink shades. There are dark pinks, light pinks and nice yellow shades too. Now the yellow shade and all of the pink shade gives a very nice contrast of yellow and pink. Could be perfect to create any summer dresses, any co-ord sets, or if you want to create a nice shirt for yourself, this fabric would be the ideal fabric for you. Now moving on to our next fabric, here I've selected this nice linen cotton fabric, perfect to create any kurta sets or if you want to create a co-ord, shirt, pant, any kind of fabrics with this kind of, any kind of outfits with this fabric would be very perfect. Now this is very lightweight and breathable too. It's really textured beautifully. Now you can see the design on it. It has been digitally printed in a nice modern art which is in a floral work and it looks very different and unique. The uniqueness of this makes it look very elegant and different. Now the base color here is a nice cream color and all over it you can see these vibrant shades of orange, green, yellows and some light green colors too, which gives it a very different and unique look. Now if you wanted to create any kind of long kurtis or tunics too with this fabric, it would look very different and beautiful. Now another fabric that we've selected here is a nice tussar silk fabric. This is also one of the perfect fabrics for the summer season and monsoon too. Because of the rich texture of it, it gives a lightweight effect too and it is quite breathable as well. and it gives a soft finish. Now this textured tussar silk here is really beautiful because of the base color being in a nice rich black color, and all over it you can see these modern contemporary art of floral work which has been done in nice red shade. Now the red and black gives a very nice and bold look which would be perfect if you wanted to create any modern outfits with this fabric too, like a tunic or a dress or even a shirt or co-ord set. This fabric would look really rich and gorgeous on you. Now our next fabric that has been selected is a nice matka fabric. Now this one is quite textured and it is quite lightweight. It drapes very beautifully on your body and it has a nice falling to it. You can see the breathable effect of this fabric too. Now it's in a nice pastel shade color of purple which gives a very light and feminine touch, and all over it you can see this minimal work of floral work, and you can see these dragonflies, these leaves. It gives a very nice natural look in nice shades of pink color. So the pink color and the purple color giving it a nice contrast and a nice feminine touch. Now if you wanted to create any kind of co-ord sets or you want to customize this into a nice kurti too, this fabric would be the ideal fabric for it. You can see how gorgeous the fabric looks. Now we've selected a couple of tussar fabrics again, giving it a very rich and textured look. Here I have this tussar fabric which is very soft and beautiful. You can see how this tussar silk looks. It is in a nice base color of black, and all over it you can see this digitally printed parrots and birds with nice leaf effect too. It gives a nice 3D printed effect on this entire fabric, making it look very modern yet contemporary. Now all of these vibrant shades of yellows, blues and reds makes it look really different and unique. So if you wanted to customize this into a nice menswear kurta or a shirt, co-ord set, giving it a modern look for workwear or even for any outside events, these fabrics would look really beautiful and perfect on you. Now here in our final fabric, we have this rich black color tussar silk fabric. This is a beautiful print because it's very minimal yet it's very elegant. You can see how this fabric looks. It's really nice to customize it into a nice kurti, a long kurta, or if you wanted to create a really simple yet beautiful anarkali, this fabric would look really gorgeous on you. You can look at the pattern that has been done all over it. It has been digitally printed, and all of this is in a nice rose and floral work with nice motif-like patterns all across it, giving it a really beautiful yet amazing look. Now if you wanted to do any kind of customizations with these kind of tussar silks in nice rich black colors during the summer too, it's still very light and breathable, which makes it ideal for the summer. Thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, hit a like and comment below if you want to know any more details. You can subscribe to our channel to know more about the trending fabrics in this season, and for any in-house customizations, you can visit our store at Banjara Hills Road number 1.